$1 million ice cream? Check. $25 million fan? Check. With the newest circulation system, I won't ever have to catch a cold. $5 billion sports car? Check. Whoa! Hey, that's Bess, my high school mate!
I need your help. Give me your answer.
Excuse me, sir. Could you pull over? I think I see my friend over there. Hey there, Best.
Assalamu alaikum, bro. What on earth? I meet the most influential celeb grand today? Mashallah.
Walaikum salam. How about a little chit-chat over at my house?
Okay, must be great.
I gotta admit, if I didn't copy your answers, I wouldn't have made it to the university and become one of the biggest entrepreneurs today.
Yeah.
This sweet bestie of mine is my garage. What do you think?
Whoa. What a huge collection.
These are my shoe collections.
Whoa. Hundreds of shoes for only 2 feet? Totally radical.
See this? This is my mini zoo, and it's got more than 100 animals.
Whoa. They all look amazing.
You be sure to make a long list of your sab and akhra, my bro.
One of you must have been cheating. Okay, we'll be checking the answers one by one. If none of you can answer, then...
Yo, bro, you okay? I'm scared of my accountability in front of Allah. Hey there, guys. I bought something new. A $35 billion restaurant, and... Please come here and share food together. And upload. $35 billion restaurant? Check. Free restaurant for Duafa. 1 million ice cream for orphans? Check. 25 million anti-cold fans for nursing houses? Check. 100 ambulances for free medical treatment? Check.
You're the best Muslim.